Had a pop-up thunderstorm through the night with 50-mile-per-hour winds, and it sheared the plastic right off. Well, that's a bummer. There's always a bright side. And the bright side is we didn't have a way to roll the sides down in case it gets too hot. So now we got to redo it so we can make it with sides that roll up this time. But our first greenhouse, I mean, it worked. It would have worked. We would have been happy with it. So we're just gonna leave it off for now. It's fixing to get hot here anyway. August is our hottest month. And I was worried about keeping it cool enough in here for them. There's so many green ones in here. Now they can grow right through their cattle panel. Oh, it smells so good from me monkeying with them. And the rain will help me water them instead of relying on me. Big bummer. But then again, not really. Always a bright side. Now we can improve and make it better. The only thing is, I don't know about leaving it because then all this raw wood's gonna get wet. I have to see what Dave says. The garden looking fabulous. Thanks for watching, and we'll be sure to upload a video when we replace the plastic. Have a great day.